right, we're out here with Benton drones. We're shooting air raid in Huntley Gravity, and today we're trying something new. We're trying the GoPro Max 360 camera. Tell us a little bit more, Anderson, on what we got going on here.
Yeah, we're just trying to get new angles. Instead of, the front-facing rear chase, we're trying to get the 360 combination of over the top, looking back, just trying to switch up angles.
And I thought you were looking through, well, you are using the virtual goggles, but you don't actually look through the GoPro, right? You have a little camera on there.
No, yep, this little camera up front, that's how I'm, seeing where to go. And it's a little tricky this time around because the camera's dead center. I'm kind of just guessing, pacing Anneke as she's going down the trail, hoping that I'm not too far, not gonna hit her especially. But yeah, just kind of pacing her.
Yeah, I know a lot of people ask us about like how we do it, what kind of like material we're using. So we'll do more on like the drone stuff soon, but please let us know what you think of this 360 video here up in Huntley Gravity, and we'll try to bring you guys more and more videos.
See ya.